Okay students, in previous video you have learned multiplication and number story with multiplication. Today we are going to learn division by the single digit number. Exercise 4.4. Okay students, exercise 4.4 question number 1a, division. Division question number 1a. 215 divided by 3. 215 divided by 3. Okay student. So first divider. Divider 1 digit 3 and dividend 1 digit 2. So 2 is less than 3. So we will take two numbers from dividend 21. 21 divided by 3. So 3 7 are 21. We will write 7 in quotient and 21 right here. Now we will do subtraction. 21 minus 21, 0. Okay student. Now bring down next digit 5. Okay. 5 divided by 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 6 is greater than 5. So we will take number 3. Okay. 3 1 ja 3. Then minus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 2. Okay student. So we will get remainder 2 and we will get quotient 71. Okay student. Next 3. This is called divider. And this is called dividend. Next, this is called quotient. And number which remains, and this is called remainder. Okay. Okay student. So our answer is 71. Our answer is 71 quotient with remainder 2. 71 quotient and with remainder 2. Okay student. Now down in your notebook. Student, question number 1, B and C is your homework. Let's move. Dividing by tens, hundred and thousand. Exercise 4.5. Okay. So student, dividing 10, 100 and 1000, it is very easy. Okay. So let's start exercise 4.5. Dividing by exercise 4.5. Exercise 4.5. Dividing by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay student. Next, question number 1. A. 893 divided by 10. Okay student, how many zero is there? 10. 1. So we will remove one digit, one space. Okay student, from dividend. Okay, so one digit we will remove from dividend. Then we get 89. We get number 89 as quotient. Yes, and 3 and remove number is 3 remainder. ओके 3 क्या है? रिमाइंडर है और 89 क्वेश्चन. ओके सो you will get answer 89 question and 3 remainder. Okay, next question number B. 67,600 divided by 100. Okay, student. So how many zero are there in 100? 2 zero. So we will remove ones and tens digit from dividend. Okay, 2 digit हम क्या करेंगे? ones और tens digit की रिमूव करेंगे, इग्नोर कर देंगे. अब next we get quotient. We get 676 is quotient. क्या मिल गया हमको? quotient मिल गया 677. Okay student, and remove number is remainder. Remove number is remainder. Okay, so our answer is 676 quotient and 0 no. The remainder no. Okay student, remainder no, only 676 quotient. Next C 12,345 divided by 1000. Okay, how many zero are there in 1000? Please, how 1000? So 3 zero. So we will remove 3 remove. We will remove 3 digit from dividend, ones, tens and 100. 3 digit remove from dividend. Okay student, then we will get 12 number is quotient. क्या है? quotient हमारा 12 है and remove number is remainder. Okay student, so we will get answer 12 quotient and 375 is remainder. Okay, 345 with remainder with remainder 345. Okay student, not done student. Next, exercise 4.5, question number 2. Divide the following by 20. Follow the shortcut method. Okay, इससे हमें shortcut method को follow करना है. Okay. So question number 2. Let's start. Question number 2. Question number 2A. 780 divided by 20. Follow the shortcut method. Okay student, so first we will start 780 out of 20. Okay, so first we will cut from 0 to 0. 0 से हम 0 को कट करेंगे. Now we will to divide 78 divided by 2. 78 divided by 2. Okay friend, 2 3 is 6. 2 3 is 6. Then minus 7 minus 6 1. Then now bring down 8 here and 18 divided by 2. 2 9 is 18. Okay, student. Now minus, then 18 minus 18, 0. Okay, so we will get quotient 39. 39 answer. Okay, student. 39 answer. Next, B. 640 divided by 20. Yes. Okay, we will follow shortcut method. Okay, so 640 out of 20. First we will cut from 0 to 0. सबसे पहले 0 को काटेंगे, then divide. We will do divide. 64 divided by 2. Okay, student. So 2 3 6. Minus 6 minus 6, 0. Then bring down 4 digit here. Then 4 divided by 2. 2 2 4. Okay, student. Then minus 4 minus 4, 0. We will get answer 32. Okay, student. So we will get answer 32 quotient. Okay. Note down, student, in your notebook. Everyday student. Next question. Question number 4. Question number 3 is cut. Okay. Solve the following. Follow the shortcut method. इसमें भी आपको shortcut method follow करना है. Okay. Exercise 4.5. Question number 4. A 350 divided by 70. Okay, we will follow shortcut method. Okay, so 350 out of 70. Yes, first we will cut from 0 to 0. Now we will do 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7. 7 5 ja 35. Yes, 7 5 ja 35. Now we will do subtraction. 35 minus 35, 0. Okay, student. So we will quotient 5. Okay, so 5 right here. Okay, student. Next, B. 810 divided by 90. Yes. So we will follow shortcut method. 810 out of 90. So we will cut from 0 to 0. Then now we will divide 81 divided by 2. 81 divided by 9. Sorry. 9 9 ja 81. Okay, student. Then minus 81 minus 80, 0. So we will get quotient 90. 9 only. 9 quotient. Okay, student. Note down. And question number 2. C, D, E, F is your homework. And question number 4. C, homework. And question number 3 is cut. Okay, student. Next, let's move on. Next exercise 4.6. is your homework. Then question number 2, division. Division by 2 digit, by 1 digit number. One digit numbers. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2A. 865 divided by 4. Okay, student. So 865 divided by 4. Okay. So first 8 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. Yes. And 4 3 ja 12. No. 4 2 ja 8. Okay. So we will write 2 in quotient and we will write 8 here. Then minus 8 minus 8 0. Okay. Now bring down next digit 6. We will write here. Okay, student. 6 minus 6 divided by 4. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 8 is greater than 6. So we will write 4 here and we will write 1 in quotient. Okay. Then we will do subtraction. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 2. Okay, student. Then now bring down next digit 5 here. Okay, student. Now we have number 25. 25 divided by 4. 4 6 ja 24. 4 7 ja 28. 28 is greater than. So 4 6 ja 24. We will write 6 in quotient and 24 right here. Now we will do subtraction. 25 minus 24. Okay, so we will get answer 1. Okay, student. Now we get answer 266 quotient with remainder 1. Okay, student. 260 answer 216 with remainder 1. Okay, student. Now we will check. अब हम इसको क्या करेंगे? चेक करेंगे. Now we will check our sums is right or wrong. हमारा sums wrong है या right है. Okay. तो first check your answer. Check formula. First dividend is equal to quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. Okay, student. Remainder. Okay. So first dividend 865. Yes. तो हमारा डिविडेंड क्या है? हमारा डिविडेंड है 865 इज इक्वल टू 260 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 प्लस रिमाइंडर 1. ओके स्टूडेंट. नाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई. अब हम क्या करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट. सो 4 6 24. 24 we will write as 4 and we will carry 2. answer 865. Yes, student. So we will get dividend same is equal to 865. So our sum is right. ओके स्टूडेंट, हमने चेक करके देख लिया है कि हमारा सम्स क्या है, मल्टीप्लाइड राइट है. ओके, सो चेक करने का फॉर्मूला डिविडेंड इज इक्वल टू क्वोशिएंट प्लस डिवाइडर प्लस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइडर प्लस रिमाइंडर. ओके स्टूडेंट, नोट डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. Have you written, student? Next question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. A. Okay, 9 divided by 63,108 divided by 9. Yes, student. Okay, we will check one digit. Okay, क्योंकि डिवाइडर की डिजिट हमारी कितनी है, 1 है. तो सबसे पहले हम डिविडेंड में भी फर्स्ट नंबर को चेक करेंगे. ओके, तो 6 क्या है, छोटा है. 6 इज लेस देन 9. सो वी विल टेक 2 नंबर फ्रॉम द डिविडेंड. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो 2 नंबर क्या है, 63. ओके, तो 63 डिवाइडेड बाय 9. 9 7 जा 63. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो वी विल write 7 in quotient and write 63 here. Now we will do subtraction. 63 minus 63, 0. Okay student. Now bring down next digit 1. Okay. What? 1 is less than 9. So not possible. We will divide. We will do divide. Divide करना possible नहीं है. Okay. So next digit bring down from dividend. Okay, so next digit, student, remember it. Next digit bring down from dividend. So we will put 0 quotient place. Okay, सबसे पहले जब दूसरी डिजिट यहाँ डिविडेंड से लेते हैं तो पहले हम उस पर 0 अपने क्वोशिएंट की प्लेस पर पुट करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, देन 0. ओके स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट 9 10 डिवाइडेड बाय 0. यस, देन 9 बन जा 9. 10 minus 9 1. Next, now bring down 8 digit. Okay, we have number. Now we have number 18. Okay, 18 divided by 9. 9 minus 9 2 जा 18. Okay, so we will write 2 in quotient and write 18 here. Now we will do subtraction. 18 minus 18, 0. Okay student, so we will get answer 7012. Answer 7012. ओके स्टूडेंट, ये हमारा है क्वेश्चन. ओके, नोट डाउन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3B. E. Okay, next 6. Okay student, so 3 is less than 6. So we will take two number from dividend 38. Okay, so 38 divided by 6. 6 6 ja 36. 6 7 ja 42. 42 is greater than, so 6 6 ja 36. So we will write 6 in quotient and this 36 right here. Now we will do subtraction. Okay student, 38 minus 36, so we will get 2. Okay student, now bring down 4 here. Next we have number 24. 24 divided by 6. 6 4 ja 24. Okay, now we will do subtraction. 24 minus 24, 0. Now next we will bring down 0. Okay, so 6 0 ja 0. Okay student, next we will bring down 6 here. Next, so 6 1 ja 6. Okay student, now we will do minus 6 minus 6, 0. Okay student, so we will get answer 6401 quotient. Okay, so answer is 6401. Okay student, note down student in your notebook. Have you written student? Student, homework note down. Exercise homework student. Exercise 4.5. Question number D, E and F. Okay student. Next, question number 1, exercise 4.6. Exercise 4.6, question number 1, question number 1, C, D and E. Question number 2, B, G and F. B, G and F. Okay student, and question number 3, B, C and F. B, C and F. Okay student, exercise 4.5, question number 1, D, E and F. Exercise 4.6, question number 1, D, C, D and E. Question number 2, B, G and F. Question number 3, B, C and F. Okay student, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.